Let's get started lying face down in prone position, hands under shoulders, feet flat. You're gonna look straight down. I'm gonna cue you as we go here. Inhaling, feel the ribs press against the floor. Exhaling, the hands push into the mat, belly draws away. Inhale, relax, soften. Exhale, strong, push the knees, push the tops of the feet into the mat. Inhale, soften. Exhale, contract, lift up and in through the pelvic floor. Find strength in your core. Exhale, soften. Inhale, soften. Exhale, squeeze. Pushing through the tops of the feet and the knees, firm legs. Might even feel your glutes clench. Inhaling, relax. Exhale, contract to find strength. Few more isometrics here. Head is hovering above your mat. Shoulder blades are strong on the rib cage. Not necessarily squeezed together, but just feel them strong as you push to make handprints into the mat. One more to prepare. The next time we're going to push up into a plank on our knees. Inhale, strong. Exhale, push away on the knees. Inhale, lower. Let's take a breath to regain our center. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, push to plank on the knees. Exhale, lower. This last one, first we're going to inhale, exhale to recenter. And then on your next exhale, really draw up through the pelvic floor to find your strength. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Awesome job. And here we are in quadruped. Let's take a couple piston breaths to orient ourselves. Inhaling to feel the belly relax. Exhaling, navel to spine. On the next exhale, let's tap right hand to left shoulder and slowly place it down. Exhale, left hand to right shoulder and returning to the handprint. So keep on switching sides here. So with the shift in the upper body, please do not allow the lower body to slide side to side. Stable through the pelvis. Feeling grounded through the knees. And a couple more repetitions here. Not forgetting about our pelvic floor. Add it into our piston breathing, abdominal contraction, whole body stabilization. Awesome work. Next exercise, we're going to come to half kneeling and find stability here with the rib cage stacked over the pelvis. Not arching our lower back too much, settling down through the sternum for a neutral curvature of the thoracic and lumbar spines. Find groundedness here, find balance, and piston breathing. So notice that since when we started our classes, we've moved from lying down, front and back, to sideline, to crawling position, and now we're getting up to kneeling. Does this remind you of how a baby develops? So that's what I'm walking you through. Anti-gravity positions. Now we're going to move up against gravity into our strengthening week. All right, that's enough for this side. Switching sides. I want to practice this piston breathing in half kneeling because it's a great functional walking and running position. We want to make sure our pelvic floor, let's get it going, can contract and relax even with our legs split apart. Inhaling, relax. Exhaling, really cue in on the pelvic floor. Stacking the head over the rib cage over pelvis. Couple more breaths. All right. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, press into your knee and come on up. Next up are deadlifts. We're going to keep a neutral stacked posture, rib cage over pelvis the whole time. Sternum faces slightly upward. We're going to bend from the hips. On the inhale, the way down. Exhale, we'll press against the earth. So palpating for Q to hinge through the hips is one option. Inhale down. Exhale, press against the earth or sternum and pubic bone to maintain the vertical alignment. Inhale down. Sit your hips back just a little bit. Exhale, press up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press through the feet, soft knees, never lock out the knees. Inhaling, lowering. Exhale, press. Inhaling, keeping the head right in line with the rest of the spine. A few more reps. We're ingraining excellent motor programming here so that we learn to use our hips and not round through our spine. A few more breaths. And last one, make it strong. Use your feet to push you up to standing. Nice work. Next, we're going to do a wall push-up. Those same widespread fingers, pressing through the wrists. Wrists right, even with shoulders. Inhaling, lowering. Exhale to press against the wall. Inhaling, control. Strong trunk, strong core the whole time. Inhale, lowering. But with the exhale, press and draw up through the pelvic floor. Soft knees. Keep going. You're in that sport ready stance on the balls of the feet, ready to take action. Inhale, relax the pelvic floor. Exhale, press away from the wall. Using 100% effort with every movement, connection with every movement, soft knees, strong feet, 2 more, pelvic floor connection. Nice work.